Jesus Christ.
Me?
Not you.
Whatever.
I'll give you a lighter. Get that out of fucking screwing up. Wait a
Come
minute.
on, man.
It's in my jacket. Wait a minute.
Come on.
Ow. Look at me.
I say meow.
No.
I'm sorry. You need to stop anything.
Wait, find a lighter. Wait a minute. Here.
That's where my blue letter was.
Bought that yesterday.
Huh?
I bought that yesterday.
No, you got it.
Whatever. I don't know. I don't remember.
Remember having blue lights and all?
Well, that's yours.
Yes, it is.
Keep it.
Trying to.
Well, don't misplace it.
I'm not misplacing nothing. Neither were you.
No.
Well, some idiot takes it from me. I don't know that.
Wait a minute.
Whatever. And you're not gonna do that, boy.
Wait a minute. You're not only.
Blue.
Alright.
I've been trying to keep these lights, and it seems like it's going like that. That's
Wait a minute.
almost a truck stop.
Bro.
Yeah.
I take off my jacket. Come outside and shovel. There you go.
See Paul and Gloria stopping by.
Yes, at 2 o'clock I'm gone. That's what they told me.
I don't know though. Probably not.
I don't know. They tell me stuff I don't know. I don't know.
Wanna call him out?
Come up later.
Nah. Watch them no Christmas gifts.
It will be.
Has to be. He's 25th for Pete's sake.
Oh.
Can you still see no one?
They're only not even half a mile down the road, so they can come with that snow. The snow is only a foot deep. Well, that's what the man says.
For Christmas Day.
Oh, we will.
Huh?
We will.
I know.
I know. But
Whatever.
I know.
Get someone back off.
I did.
Huh?
I did.
Good. That's rude. Let's not get anything on Christmas.
And they should come by. They're not even half a mile down the road.
Oh, that sounds weird.
Yeah, they're only down the road. They're like 40 miles away from here. They're so lazy.
You call them?
I'll call them up before I leave. I have to leave out here at 11. It's only 9:30, so I'll leave at 11.
This is my later.
I know.
How would there be any of her energies?
Trying to get. I already shoveled our walkway, so I'm going to shovel the other walkway pretty soon.
Can't you just call her?
I'm rolling a little wild. You're not up right now, dude. Those fat asses sleep in. I know, but he wants to talk to Gloria and she's asleep.
Who cares? Just says anymore.
I know. I'll call him up in a while. I will. They should be calling us. That's what they should be doing. No.